So I'm going to be showing you guys how to access these four, what are they called, coils back here to change your spark plugs. So what you need to do first is you need to remove this thing right here. It's kind of hard if you're alone, but you got to do this. Put this up, do that. This thing will just kind of clips right here. I already kind of removed it, but you see the clips right there. You can just sort of ease it out of there. Same to this side. Just ease it out. There is the water line right here for the windshield wipers. You're gonna have to remove this. You could get this out of the way and then do that. I'll do that right now. Give me a second. Alright, so once you do that, here's the windshield. So it has like a little locking thing right here. You can just pull that out. You can just put it to the side, which is what I did. So to get you gotta get this out now. So you gotta remove these screws. I already removed them, but they should be right here. There's one in the middle right there, and there's one back there, and then these two. This whole thing just slides out. You just pull it out, set that to the side, and then as you can see, you have a ton of access now. You can just pull this out, and that's it.